Today we will see how do we draw isometric projections in AutoCAD. So this will be the question which will be given and we are supposed to generate this drawing in AutoCAD. Okay. So first of all, we'll open the AutoCAD and select ACAD ISO.dwt template and this is your 2D interface. Now to convert this 2D interface into isometric planes, we should select these options and select uh, isometric drafting here. Then this will be visible here, this icon. Then click on it. As soon as I click on it, my screen is going to change. It's going to look like an isometric plane. Okay. Now in this isometric plane, we can draw lines in any direction. But again, to have an isometric plane direction lines, I have to select ortho mode on. If I turn on the ortho mode, I'll be able to draw lines in this plane. Okay. Now, if I want to change the orientation, I'm going to select F5. As soon as I select F5, my orientation is going to change. Okay. Now we'll take this example and try to solve. In this example, this side is given as 40 units and height is given as 60 units. Sorry, side is 50 units and this side is uh, 60 units, 50 and 60. So let me draw. In this direction it is 50 and I have to draw it in the backward direction, isn't it? So I'm going to press F5. So in this direction it is 60. Now I have to make sure that I go to the upward direction. For drawing it in the upward direction, the height is 60. So I'm going to press F5 again. Now it is going to be 60. On the forward direction it is 20, 20, and downward direction it is 20 again. Forward direction 20, downward direction 20, forward direction 20, downward direction 20. So now we have completed one phase of the process. This phase we have completed. Now we have to draw the depth part. Okay, so depth is 50. So I'm going to use the line command. From here it is okay. Change the plane direction. Now I'm going to press F5. Now here it is 50. Now again I have to change my plane direction. So I'm going to press F5 and in the forward it is 60 units. And again I'm going to press F5 and downward direction it is going to be again 60. Now this outer shell is prepared. Now we have to draw the top view part. This top view part we have to draw. The top view part, if I see, this is the top view part. From here to here the distance is 20. Okay, I'm going to use the line command. This is 5. This is 20. Now here I have to change the plane direction again. And in this direction, the distance is 20 plus 20, 40. So in this direction, the distance is 40. And in this direction, this is again 30. Okay. Now let us see the front view direction. In this direction, I have a L here. Now from here I'm going to draw. This is 40. Line command. From here, downward direction I have to choose. So I'm going to change my plane F5. Now this is 40. Change my plane F5. Now the outer core is completed. I'm going to draw a similar kind of step this side. So I'm going to use the line command. Downward direction it is 20. Forward direction it is 20. Downward direction again 20. Forward direction is again 20. I'm going to join these lines. So this is how we draw. Okay. Thank you.